Here's a look at our trader rundown today with Scott Bauer of Trading Advantage. And this is a big day politically. We are going to be hearing from Donald Trump for the first time as he's now president-elect and giving us that first press conference. So do you think it'll be a market mover?
You know, everything that comes out of his mouth is a market mover or out of his tweets. So, you know, I think many traders and especially the day traders are actually going to be sitting ready to hit the button if he says something that can be a market mover. I wouldn't doubt if something slips up and, you know, whether it's intentional or not, if he does cause whether the overall market or some individual stocks or a sector, you know, to move, you know, in the short run here.
This could get interesting.
Oh, yeah.
Let's take a look at Delta because Delta earnings are coming out this week. And you say there's a trade there.
And it's very interesting, Angie. Yesterday, massive volume. Stock was up pretty big. Option volume was really big. And, you know, there was a lot of call buying, a lot of heavy call buying. The market right now is expecting about a 3.5% move or so. So about, you know, almost $2 move. What's real interesting is there's a ton of short interest. In fact, since last earnings 3 months ago, short interest is up very appreciably. So whether this run up into this earnings was some of that short covering perhaps, or, you know, whether people are thinking that there's going to be some blowout earnings here, the call side is very heavy. Now, to the downside, if we get that 3.5% move or so, that would put the stock right down at a huge buying opportunity at the 50-day moving average around 47.5, 48 area. Upside, there's nothing up there. So if Delta does report good numbers here, look out to the upside. This thing really could take off, no pun intended.
Thank you for coming on this show. Keep
Absolutely.
on.